What's going on, everybody? I go by the name of JB, and this is Tech on Deck. Today, I've got an unboxing for you because I've been thinking of a lot of 360 cameras, which is the new rage going on right now. So, action cameras have been around for a little bit, but 360 is, the up and coming thing right now. So we've got, the GoPro Fusion. We've also got Insta360 and the Rylo. That's the 360 cam I have right here. And that's the one I've come to the conclusion of trying out first, after a lot of research between which ones I should and shouldn't get. And we're going to do that unboxing. So let's get to it. Let's get the trusty razor blade right here and try not to cut my fingers off. Now, we have the Rylo 360 camera right here. Here's the box. Nice design. I can read off a little bit that they have on here, just so you know. So, dual ultra-wide lenses, custom Rylo optics, 360 or 180 videos. So, you can do it like a regular action cam or the 360, you have your choice. 6K panorama photos, OLED control screen, all right, aluminum alloy body. Yeah, we're gonna need that toughness. And Bluetooth control, expandable storage. So you can put a micro SD in here. So what's in the box? Obviously, we have the Rylo 360 camera. Everyday case. It's a grip and mount. That's what this is right here. Well, that's what this is right here. It'll go on to this right here. We have a 60-minute recording time battery. The battery is very, very small. Cables. It has the power and sync cable for iPhone and Android, so works with both. It didn't at first, but an update made it available to Android. It was available first on iPhone. All right, storage micro SD card, like I said. It has the pouch, which cleans and protects the lenses. You want to keep it in there when you're traveling. And what do you got? Quick and helpful support, 1-year limited warranty. All right. So yeah, the grip is what's right here. It's a little handle. It does extend, I believe, and we're gonna find out if that is a tripod also. So it's perfect for, they have some suggestions on here. The ride, cycling and skating. The slope, skiing and snowboarding. The trail, running and hiking. The park, family and pets. So your everyday usage. We also have the waterproof case here. It's called the Adventure Case. So versatile mounting, lens protection, and water resistance. You're going to want this if you're going to be jumping in the pool or the ocean or water of any sort, water parks. So you're going to definitely want to put that on there. So let's get this box open. We'll do both. Lip input and touch screen. Haha. All right. So, we got our little sleeve here. All right, let me leave that there for you. All right. Nice little red box, and voila. It's like a Heinz commercial. All right, let's put that there, put that there. Okay. Woo, and here we have it. This is very, very tiny, and it feels more sturdy than I thought. It looks like a little plastic thing. It feels like this is aluminum casing, and it's cold to the touch. I like the feel of that. All right, so you got your little screen here. That's your OLED screen. It's not going to kill your battery. You got your shutter button up here. So I'd assume that's to take pictures and to start your video. You have a micro USB port right here. So wish that was USB-C, but whatever. This looks like where you put everything, but I don't know. Oh, there you go. You hit the button there and it pops it open. So you put your battery in here, and this is gonna be your sleek little design. I really do like the look of that. Let's see what else is in the box here. So we got The magic is in the app. So the big thing about this camera and why I chose it over all the other ones, after looking at a lot of reviews and seeing a lot of people's reaction to it, is the app. The app itself is amazing. So we're gonna try that and see just how good it is. So this is a quick little instruction booklet here. So top button, like I said, right here. Top button, power and record. Press and hold the power on and off. Press again, start and stop. So very simple how you use it. And then recording mode, you can change your mode. There's a button here right next to the OLED screen. So that's your recording mode. You can press it repeatedly to switch between recording modes, which is cool. Keep Rylo in pouch when not in use, because you do not want to break this. This looks like there is glass on the front of these and does not look removable at all. So you don't want the protective glass over your lenses to break at all. It's an f2.8 lens, so you can get some bokeh in this. I like. All right, 7mm equivalent and 208 degrees. All right, that's very, very wide. So put both of those together, and that's how you get your 360. All right, what else they got here? Access battery and storage. All right, so press and release the door. Put your SD card in there, and your battery. What else do they have? Oh, they got stickers. All right, put them on your bag, on your computer, or something like that. And they have all this. Who's gonna look at how small this is? This is tiny, tiny writing. This is the fine print. We're not gonna read that. So, who does? Here's your pouch. I like the feel of this guy. All right, get out of it. We're gonna leave it in here. You just pop it open, and boom, you have another pouch in here. So you got two sides in here, so you can put your wires and everything in one, and your camera in the other. I don't know, it's not pleather, but it's like smooth. Like, I wish I knew my fabrics better, people. But it ain't pleather. This is so tiny. I like it though. It's nice and portable. You can put this in your pocket, and this is how it opens here. And that is your tripod mount. So it's got a tripod mount on the bottom here. You can put that on anything. So this, you put this in here, tighten it up. And this, I believe, goes on, yeah, it goes on all of GoPro's accessory mounts. So you've got a plethora of accessories this is good for. All right, that's a good idea that they did. So you got your charge cable here, like I said, micro USB, and you got your sync cable here, which is for the iPhone. So if you want to put this, which is cool, this is cool. If you want to put this directly to your phone without using wireless, because there is wireless, but if you want to just put this directly to the phone, you have your sync cable, which I'm so happy that they have. You don't know how many times I try to do Wi-Fi and it's just super slow, and you got to sit there and wait and wait and wait, or it just doesn't connect. So with these, you got one for Apple, you got one for, oh, you got a USB-C one in here for the newer Androids, and you got a micro USB one here for the older Androids. So these are awesome. So yeah, so you're gonna hook it up directly to the phone, and then you can use your app and move your files freely and easily. And here is your little case in here for protection. Not so much for the lens. Oh, your battery's in here too. So your little, like I said, a little battery here. So this is nothing. So this is your case. Let me get this back out here, get it in action. So this is your case. You open it just like a GoPro. Put it in here. Lock it up. And is that simple or what? Yeah, there you go. Lock it up. Boom. You get this on here. So that's for protection. Not going to protect the screen on the front there, but it will help if it tumbles out of your hand. But you definitely don't want that to happen in this case, because let's make sure this is lined up. You don't want that to happen in this case because you don't want to break the glass, like I said. So after you screw this in, boom, this is it. This is the small guy right here. And it doesn't extend. So if you want to extend this, you better put it on a monopod or anything that has a tripod mount screw on it. All right. So it is small, very tiny, easy to hold. Put it down, it's going to record everything. You don't got to aim this at anything. That's the good thing about 360, it's going to record everywhere. If you want it to see in front of you, you can do it. If you're talking, you want it to see you, boom, pop it right back, it's looking at you. Awesome. You have a little wristband here also. That goes on the bottom here. So you'd want to put that on. If you drop it, it's going to hang off your wrist. You're still good. That's going to make this feel a lot better. All right, not bad for inside the box. So keep it on like that. You're good. Okay. Now, let's just check out this last one here. It's like Christmas. All right, this one opens the same way. And paya. Making a mess up here. All right, this is the case for this guy. This one comes with an adhesive mount, if you don't see on the bottom here. You can take this off. It's a curved mount, so you can put this on like a helmet or something like that. A dashboard if it's curved, but same way, just like a GoPro. You take this little screw out, pop this in here, and you got your waterproof casing. And this does have some lens protection, so that's nice. Now, this is a separate item. It does not come with the actual Rylo. So the positives for this, like I've said after my extensive research, are the size of it, very small compared to the Fusion, which is much larger. Your stabilization, which we will get into. I'm going to show you some video of this in 180 degrees and 360 degrees. The 360, obviously, I'm not going to show you on this one. I will have that in a link below, so you can check out what the 360 looks like. It records in 4K, 1080p. So that's the unboxing. Now we're going to go and check this thing out in action. All right? We're going to see how stable it is. We're going to see how the stitching is for the 360, because that used to be a problem. We'll see if it still is. And stitching is when they take both sides of the camera and right where they connect them, we're going to see how smooth that actually is. And we're going to check out all that footage. I'm going to put the 180 footage in this one because we can do that. That's fine. I'll use it like a regular action camera in this video. Down below in the description, I'll have the 360 video because obviously I can't put that one in here because this isn't a 360 video. But we'll be testing the audio, we'll be testing the stabilization, we'll be testing the actual footage for the clarity and sharpness and see how the image actually looks. So sit back, relax, and we're going to get into that footage right now. This is JB's Tech on Deck Reviews. So right now I'm just doing a test on my Rylo 360 camera, and we're going to check out the stabilization. I'm just going to walk through this park here and see how things turn out. I'll be checking out the mic. Just want to see how the onboard mic sounds, and I hold it a little further away so it's not directly in my face. This is about, I mean, I have long arms, but we'll check it out and see how this goes. So, I shouldn't have to look directly at the camera because, well, I mean, if I look directly at you, then I could do this. So, I guess I could do my vlogging. It's not too bad. It looks actually pretty nice. It didn't look too nice earlier today, but right now, I think this will do. So right now I have the little countdown on the screen here. It does tell me how many minutes I'm recording. Before you hit record, it tells you how much time you have left to record on. So I'll just do a little jog and then test out the stabilization a little bit better. Check it out. So this is what vlogging looks like when you're running, huh? Alright. I'm kind of holding it steady, but I shouldn't have to do too much. I mean, obviously I'm not going to be running no sprint with that one, but it's just good enough to check it out. So, let's just check out the water out here one time. All right. Actually, not a bad view out here. I mean, I don't exactly know what these plants are out here, but it looks a little swamp-like to me. But the wildlife doesn't seem to mind. So let's be on our way before people start asking me questions about my vlogging. Let me just trek back through here and see if I left anything. All right, now most of the editing that I'm going to be doing in this, obviously, is going to be on the phone. I think I have a choice of switching it to, I know there's probably cars in the background, so you can't really hear me that well, but we're going to make do with what we have. So, I think I could switch it to, because it's on 360 mode right now, I think I'll be able to switch it to 180 in the application on the phone. Because I have heard that that is pretty easy to edit in. So, I hope that's enough footage for you guys. And we're going to see how it looks. But, last but not least, I'm going to sprint right down here to my car, and then we're going to see how this looks, all right? So, on your mark, get set, go! And hopefully I won't drop the camera. Man. All right. Now that was actually quite a bit of movement. This is my test of the Rylo 360. Until next time, rate, comment, and subscribe. If you want to know more about it, let me know in the comments. All right. Whew, I'm out of breath.